Let's take a look at our second problem type. We need to be able to find the limit using the factor cancel method. So come over here, and let's take a look at our first example within that problem type. We got limit as x goes to 2 of x squared minus 10x plus 16 over x squared minus 4. Now the first thing you do with this problem type is you factor your top part and you factor your bottom part. Now this top part is the Psd method, and this is the difference of two squares. Of course, if you don't know how to factor, then you go back and watch that video on factoring. So this is x minus 2 times x minus 8, and this one factors as x minus 2 times x plus 2. Now after we've factored it, then you cancel what they have alike. See how these both have an x minus 2? So this is going to cancel away. And we got limit as x goes to 2 of x minus 8 over x plus 2. Now initially, if we plug 2 into our problem, you can't, because you get a 2 squared, which is 4, 4 minus 4 downstairs, which gives you 0. But now we can do direct substitution. So we're going to go ahead and plug the 2 in. So we've got 2 minus 8 over 2 plus 2. Two minus 8 gives us negative 6. 2 plus 2 is 4, which then gives us negative 3/2. And that's our answer. Let's look at our second example. Got limit as x goes to negative 5 of x squared plus 9x plus 20 over x squared minus 25. Well, the top part is Psd, x squared x, no number for the x squared. Bottom part is difference two squares, two terms of minusing it. So this becomes a limit as x goes to negative 5 of x plus 4 times x plus 5 over x plus 5 times x minus 5. Now again, after you've factored it, then you cancel what's alike. This x plus 5 cancels that x plus 5. And we got the limit as x goes to negative 5 of x plus 4 over x minus 5. And now we can do our direct substitution. So we'll plug in negative 5. So we got negative 5 plus 4 over negative 5 minus 5. Negative 5 plus 4 is negative 1. Negative 5 and negative 5 is negative 10. And the negatives cancel, and we end up with 1/10. Look at our third example. We get the limit as x goes to 2 of x squared minus 12x plus 20 over x minus 2. Well, the bottom part doesn't factor, but the top part does, using the Psd again. So this becomes limit as x goes to 2, and top part factors as x minus 10 times x minus 2 over x minus 2. Now after I've factored, I see the x minus 2's will cancel, and we're left with the limit as x goes to 2 of x minus 10. Well, now we can plug the 2 in for the x. We got 2 minus 10, which gives us negative 8. And our last example, the limit as x goes to negative 3 of x squared minus 6x minus 27 over x plus 3. Excuse me. Top part factors using the Psd. Factors as x minus 9 times x plus 3. Bottom part doesn't factor. Now we can cancel the x plus 3's because they're the same. And we got limit as x goes to negative 3 of x minus 9. And now we can plug the negative 3 in for the x. Just do direct substitution. So negative 3 minus 9 gives us negative 12. And those are our answers. And last example for that problem type.